Portable Bluetooth speakers, IPX5 waterproof speakers with 24W stereo sound, Bluetooth 5.0 and built-in mic, 20H playtime outdoor speakers, durable design suitable for travel, party, camping, black. The professional acoustic designated Oraolo Bluetooth speaker is designed with 212W dual speaker configuration with loud stereo sound. Powerful stereo and passive subwoofer amplify lower bass frequencies, noise wind reduction technology, and unique loudspeaker cavity structure to deliver premium acoustic sound. At party, outdoor, and indoor, pool, beach, and camping, it will bring you an unprecedented listening experience. A portable and durable construction featuring the smooth rubber exterior that protects the outdoor speaker from scratching and impacting. Standard TPU handle designed to take your music to go anywhere. IPX5 waterproof speaker is ideal for pool beach party. Excellent playing Timmel outdoor Bluetooth speaker with 4000 mAh Li-ion battery is up to 20 hours playtime. At 50% volume, playtime varies according to volume level and audio content. Experience bold sounds and rich bass even against noisy backgrounds. You can enjoy the wireless speakers as a loudspeakerphone for hands-free calling with built-in mic. A Bluetooth 5.0 liters wireless speaker with upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 within 10 meters has faster connection speed, more stable signal transmission, and lower power consumption than previous one. Connecting over Bluetooth in seconds to iPhone, iPad, smartphones, tablets, Windows and other Bluetooth devices. You will get a 1 Bluetooth speaker, 1 micro USB charging cable, 1 O cable, 1 quick user's guide. Our worry-free 12-month warranty and friendly lifetime customer service. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.